We use glue to stick two parts together. Now imagine conjunction is like a glue, which sticks two parts of the sentences together. Coordinating conjunction links two sentences and two ideas. Pro tip: remember the acronym or short form FANBOYS. Let's begin. For indicates a reason or cause. He went to the doctor for his illness was serious. And adds one idea to another. She bought chocolates and biscuits. Nor both connected ideas must be negative. She did not enjoy the movie nor the popcorn. But it shows two opposite ideas. I love chocolates, but it is not good for teeth. Or provides alternatives or choices. Eat soup or salad. Yet indicates an unexpected result. It was dark, yet the kids stepped out to play. So, it expands further on the first idea. He was hurt, so he applied a bandage. Share this coordinating conjunction with your friends.